India's most preferred brain enrichment training academy, Brain Gurukul. Brain Gurukul is an ISO certified and MSME approved brain enrichment edutech organization. Presents an amazing training workshop for pregnant females. Dhwani, बनाइए अपने गर्भ को अपने बच्चे की पहली पाठशाला। जी हाँ, अब यह वैज्ञानिक रूप से सिद्ध हो चुका है कि बच्चों का ब्रेन उसके जन्म से पहले ही विकसित हो जाता है। Do you know Abhimanyu, the legendary Mahabharata warrior, learned entering and breaking the Chakravyuh inside his mother's womb? Yes, it is scientifically proven that a baby's brain developed speedily even before birth. Give a beautiful and meaningful gift to yourself and your unborn child and make your pregnancy journey memorable. Dhwani, Brain Before Birth, a workshop for expecting mothers, seeding a genius life even before birth. Under the able guidance of a group of senior gynecologists, pediatricians, dietitians, neurophysicians, and other experts, Brain Gurukul proudly introduces this fascinating and innovative workshop, Dhwani, a Brain Before Birth training program. This is a specially designed workshop only for pregnant women, emphasizing the development of the most essential organ, which works as the control center of the body, and that is brain. This workshop helps in seeding a genius life even before birth. Magical sounds and their vibrations play a very specific role in this workshop. That's why this workshop is named Dhwani. The journey of 9 months, starting from conception to birth, creates a very special bond between the child and mother. Any positive change at the seed level gives a super positive result at the fruit level. This is a 44-hour training workshop divided into 22 sessions. Each 2-hour session is divided into 4 segments of 30 minutes each. This workshop covers a total of 19 types of therapies or practices. These sessions cover neuron stimulations, activities, right and left brain coordination, enhancing sensory integration, and inputs on the right nutrition. Altogether, these activities help your child's brain to develop at the right time. These sessions are regularly organized at Brain Gurukul Academy or hospitals. The nature of the medium is online and offline. The frequency of sessions is twice a month and the duration of each session is of 2 hours. This program can be joined at any point during pregnancy. The development of the brain is very fast during the gestation period, so an early start will lead to the formation of a high density of synapses and a strong neural network in your baby's brain. Each therapy is designed for a specific purpose. Some of these are sound therapy, aromatherapy, yogasans, brain gym sensory stimulation, meditation, Sanskrit mantras, color therapy, nutrition, touch therapy, and taste therapy. For example, sound therapy helps in the secretion of happy hormones, which leads to elevated mood. Brain gym therapy helps in stimulating new synapses and creating new neural connections. Mnemonic session helps in utilizing imaginative intelligence for sharp memory, and visual therapy helps in increasing visual perception. This workshop will help your child to develop a sharp memory with high imagination and logical thinking, enhanced mathematical, musical, and linguistic intelligence, and excellent brain-body coordination. Yes, you can also go ahead with our online sessions. Our dedicated team will help you to make your experience memorable and special. If you are pregnant, then don't forget to join this amazing workshop, specially designed for you. So what are you waiting for? Phone उठाओ और कॉल लगाओ। फ्री काउंसलिंग के लिए अभी कॉल कीजिए। नंबर है 7300949994. Enjoy the benefit of deeply research-based training solutions for students, professionals, and corporates with money-back guarantee. Brain Gurukul has a presence in 6 states, 18 cities, 42 plus academies, and 21 plus schools. Enroll today and start investing in your child's brain enrichment. A lifetime gift for your unique little champ. For more details, call now at 7300949994 or visit us at www.braingurukul.com. Corporate office address at 51 New Rajamandi Colony, near Canara Bank, Lohamandi Branch, Agra 282002.